Good morning, guys. I hope you are having an awesome day. And today I want to talk about how to exclude your personal data from your website on Google Analytics. Now, why this would be perfect for you is when you go into your Google Analytics, you actually want to see an accurate reflection of the people using your website. You don't want to see your own session data on your own website data because, of course, that is not ideal if you're trying to figure out and pinpoint what the problem is. It could be you have 100 visits to your website, but you would find out that all of your visits are you. So that's not cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break down how to add your own IP, how to exclude your own IP address from the Google Analytics results. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go into your Google Analytics account. And anyone watching this video, I assume that you already have Google Analytics set up. If you don't, visit us on the link in the description below and we'll gladly help you set it up. Okay, so I'm in website data right now in the data view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the admin section. From the admin section, I am going to go through to user management, or not user management. I'm going to go down to all filters. And as you can see, there are no filters. So what we want to do is we want to add our own IP address, or we want to add the IP address of the PC that we use to edit or go onto our website the most. So I'm going to say add filter. I'm going to give a filter a name, so I would call this my IP address. And then what I would do is I'd say it was predefined. I want to exclude, and I'm going to go to traffic from a specific IP address, and it should be equal to, which means it's equal to the IP address I'm about to put in. Now, some of you might be asking, Devin, how exactly do I find my IP address for the PC? No problem. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're running Windows 10, what you do is you are going to click the Windows button, hold the Windows button plus R, and you should come up with a prompt screen. And in that prompt screen, you're going to type in CMD. That's going to take you to the command prompt. Once you're in the command prompt, you are going to write the letters IP config, or you're going to write the word IP config. Okay, and if you look at the results, you should see it under IPv4 address. That should be the correct address that you enter. Okay, so once that's done, you are going to enter your IP address into the IP address little box over here. Just enter it straight up, just the numbers. We don't want the section before, we just want the numbers and the dots between the numbers. Okay. Once you're done with that, I'm not going to include an IP address there, obviously, because I don't want you guys to see what my IP address is. And you're going to click on all website data, and you are going to click on add, and it will apply the filter to those specific selected views. So it will apply the filter to all your website data, and then you click save. Now guys, a special word of caution: this will not reflect in your website history or your analytics history. Okay, it's not going to go backdate all of your analytics and take away your information, but from this time forward, it will exclude your IP address, and you get good clean data, and you'll understand basically better how people are accessing and using your website. Now, if you're interested in any sort of social media marketing, visit us on the link below. We've also got hosting, and we've got a whole lot of stuff. So check out our newsletter, sign up. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Devin from Neptune Design, and I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope you enjoy your marketing.